Welcome back, folks. We are doing a silver unboxing video. I'm super excited because this is a new type of silver that's come out. I've never had anything even close to this type of silver. It was actually last week's special from Miles Franklin. You can email me, slayer@milesfranklin.com, or call me 330-485-6172. Every single week we have new specials. I wanted to cut a little slit right here to make sure that none of my information was showing, but it looks like it's good. I have not seen anything inside of this yet, so I'm really excited. This is what original silver stacking videos back in 2015, when they really started to flourish on YouTube, this is what it was unboxing videos. The new age, news type videos, that came later. Originally, this is the type of stuff that silver stacking channels were posting, including myself. I used to always make unboxing videos. It was a cool way to show your stack off without having to show anyone that you know in person, for safety reasons, obviously. Plus, everyone liked showing off, the different types of silver that they had in their stack. By the way, this is packaged very, very impressively. Miles Franklin always packages their stuff very good, which is actually a very important thing to look. If you're going to be buying from someone, make sure they package it good, because packaging, the little things like that, just the littlest thing like that, that really does speak for itself. Little things like packaging, customer service, and Miles Franklin definitely goes all out, because that stuff is important. I'm not using a knife because I did not want to cut myself on film, and my daughter's in the other room and I just don't like just having knives around, but it doesn't matter. This is cool though. But yeah, anyways, folks, this is a very special type of silver, and you'll see what I mean. Make sure you like this video if you like unboxing videos, because I could definitely do more. I would definitely be open to making more unboxing videos. Okay, so I have no idea what this looks like inside. Like I said, all I saw was the special that we had, and I was like, oh, that looks cool. And I'll explain why I think this is going to be such an interesting type of silver to stack. And I'll explain why I wanted to stack this type of silver. There's a couple different reasons why. Now, let's see. Sorry, I want it to look all good. Make sure this isn't showing at yeah, that might be it. No, I think we're good on that. Make sure my address isn't showing, but okay. Oh, there's one more. Okay. Here, what? I did not expect this. Okay, oh my gosh, this is so cool. You guys are in for a surprise and a treat. I'm gonna show you what these are. I did not know they were gonna come in this. I'm definitely gonna dump them all out and put them in this mini monster box. And I'll also explain why. Maybe some of you wouldn't do this, or maybe some of you that bought this listing might not. But what these are, they are real coins. These are 10th ounce Britannias. These are real coins. This is not a round. You know how most rounds, fractional, most rounds would be fractional, unless you get a dime, which this is about the same weight as a dime, but this is 3/9 fine silver, and it's an actual coin. The Britannia is beautiful. About 200 of these. So I'm going to dump all of those in here. And this is the perfect gift, like for a holiday, like Christmas or something, just throw them a dime, or I guess not a dime. I guess let me see. Let me read this. It's so it's 3/9 fine. Let me see what it actually, 20 pence. So yeah, it's 20 pence. Obviously this is, this is not US money, but this is a real Britannia. It's not a round, and it's pure silver, where dimes, it's 90% silver. So it's not it's only 0.715 silver. This is pure silver, and these are actually beautiful. So yeah, let's unbox more. That wasn't even a full tube, and it comes in a tube. These are so interesting. I didn't even know that they made mini tubes like this. So yeah, this is a different type of video. Some people, you know, this isn't for anyone. This would be more for like a trader or a barterer, someone that, you know, would possibly be, you know, trading someday. Because imagine if all you have are 1 ounce eagles or 10-ounce bars and you want to trade for something that's worth less than an ounce. You're not going to take a chainsaw to your 1 ounce round or your coin. This is where, you know, this is where constitutional comes in, or fractional. Usually you don't want to pay fractional because it has high premiums, especially since it's not a minted, right? Because one of the benefits from fractional silver was, or 90% dimes, quarters, half dollars, is that it's a real mint. So it's another way. A lot of traders and barters, they don't want any of their silver to be from a private mint, because if you're trading or bartering with someone, the chance of them knowing what sunshine mint is very low. But anyone can tell these are real coins, real legal tender, real money. It's fractional and it's pure. So there's benefits to 90%. There's benefits to this. I just thought this was really cool. You know, these are just things I'll carry a couple of these around my pocket, just hammering out. So let's open all of these up. Some people are gonna be like, why are you opening them up? Because it's fractional, folks. It's not like I'm gonna be collecting these in condition matters. Like, I can touch this with my bare hands. Like, some people might not want to if you're gonna resell these and want to find the best. Like, no, that's me. Silver. This is what it's for, right? I just wanted some fractional that's pure. I wanted fractional without having it to be a round, but also 4 nines or 3 nines fine. Because dimes, it's only 90%. So this is just another way. Plus, it's unique. I didn't even know that you know, that Britannias came in 20 pence. Right? I didn't even know that. I thought they were only like the half ounce, maybe, if you're gonna get like a series or collectible, but usually the 1 ounce, right? So yeah, I think this is really unique. I'm sure some of you, this isn't probably your cup of tea. This is from the Royal Mint, though, right? These are real coins. So, yeah, maybe some of you, this isn't your cup of tea, but for me, I really like this. I like diversifying, especially as I am a trader / barter, a prepper. I definitely, and right, see, it even comes in like these, so it fits perfectly in there. So this is actually how they go. They have like a tube. They get the dime tube, and you put it straight in there. If you guys don't know, you know, if you do sometimes stack silver, maybe you get, like a lot of people do it with coin tubes and coin capsules, or maybe constitutional, you want a dime tube or something, you can do that as well. So these are 200. I bought 200 of these. So yeah, bought 200 of these. Look how cool this looks. Oh my gosh, this is, look at this. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Like, and the Britannia has the same detail too. Let me see if I can, like, it's the legit detail on the Britannia. Even the lines that are, you know, like radiating or whatever they call it, like radical or whatever. You know, you see them very shiny. It's just like a 1 ounce Britannia, but it's just a 10th ounce. Same thing. So yeah, I really like these. I'm really happy I got this. And that's just one of those things, folks. Like, I saw a special at Miles Franklin. I was like, you know what? I have so many just normal, boring 10-ounce bars or just eagles. I want to try something new. This is another thing in my collection. You know, I like that it's in this little mini monster box, very easy to store. Maybe I could even throw in some mercury dimes and stuff in here if I wanted as well, or just other scrap silver. I love silver that I can touch with my hands, right? That's so important for me to have just silver, because when you have to worry about condition and all that, that's when the whole point of stacking loses its place. We're stacking because the metal content, not because we're going to collect it in some type of, you know, it's all about silver, the metal content itself. So, so yeah, I really like this. I'm gonna take this phone off so you guys can actually see better. Let's see if I can get, it's so, silver is really shiny, so it's hard to capture just how, maybe because it's too bright in here. Let me see. But yeah, these things are wicked looking. And I'm kind of disappointed because it can't really capture. Maybe if I dump some on the table. Wow, that was loud. My daughter's sleeping in the other room. Okay, yeah. It's still too shiny, but anyways, folks, these things are wicked. I'm actually giving 10 of these away. Actually, no, I'm doing 15. I'm gonna do 15 of these. And you'll see who I'm giving these away to. And you guys actually could have won 15 of these for free. If you want free silver shipped straight to your front doorstep, all you have to do is enter the Secret Silver Society or be a subscriber of this channel, because I'll give some of these away in my big main channel giveaway I'm doing soon as well. So I'll be giving, and that's why I have so many of these, right? Give a couple away to a friend or family member, say, here, you know, it looks really cool. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Jeff M., these are yours. He won last month's silver contest. Every month I give silver away on the Secret Silver Society, which is a secret club for silver stackers. Every month someone wins. The first month they won a 2005 BU Panda and something else as well. This month, Jeff won because he was closest to guessing what silver's closing spot price would be on August 30th. He was the closest. So next month we might do like a guessing contest again, like whoever's closest to guessing what silver's spot price will be on September 30th. Whoever's closest to the nearest penny wins maybe like some eagles or some bars or something. So if you guys want to go join that, patreon.com/silverslayer. Member folks, there's also like the members only discussion board on there as well. I'm going to be starting a Discord soon, and we have the huge member or the main channel giveaway, which will be a lot more than just 15 of these, you know, little buddies right here. So anyways, yeah, I appreciate you all, folks. I love unboxing videos. Go check out my unboxing playlist. I really wish stackers went back to the roots, because this is what got me into silver stacking, was watching people actually unbox the silver. It's like ASMR. Like, I loved watching people unbox. It would motivate me to go buy some myself, and I really love unboxing videos. But nowadays it seems like the silver stacking community really doesn't focus on silver unboxings anymore. Oh, when I do it like that, you can kind of tell these things are wicked looking. So yeah, great present, great way to stack some fractional if you are a trader / prepper for bartering. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna wrap this video up here, folks. Remember, if you guys wanted to purchase some of this or anything else, you can email me, slayer@milesfranklin.com, or call me 330-485-6172. Miles Franklin is the best. We have weekly specials every single Monday, new gold, silver, and platinum specials. So stay on the lookout. Make sure you subscribe. This is Silver Slayer. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.